All right, I've got to share something big with you. The biggest discovery I've been introduced to in my lifetime, most likely. How to get rid of the hiccups. Now I know you're going to say, oh, you just have some sugar. All that, none of it works. None of it's ever worked. Maybe once in a while it accidentally worked, but it doesn't work on a consistent basis. It's not scientific proof. What is proven over and over again, at least in my experience and those I've introduced this technique to, is that it 100% solves your hiccups immediately, within like 60 seconds or less. So, how do we do it? Well, very simple. Follow these steps. Number one, you're going to, if you have the hiccups, and the reason I include this as a drinking tip, right? Because we know people who drink get the hiccups. They also burp. There's gases involved. There's all kinds of biological functions involved in the process of getting drunk, or tasting wine, or tasting bubbly products, fermented bubbly products especially. So, and you always see people represented, drunks in movies and cartoons are always represented as people who hiccup. You know, that's exactly how they act. So, what better way to get rid of that stereotype than to erase that problem from the very beginning? So, step number one, you get the hiccups and you go, hey, the Winsome Wine Somm told me how to take care of this problem. I watched that video. Step number one, what do? I inhale as deeply as possible. Hold your breath. Step number two, stick your stomach out as far as possible while you're holding your breath. And then you hold your breath until you think you're going to pass out. And right when you think, I can't possibly hold my breath any longer, that's when you slowly exhale. So, for example, if I had the hiccups, I'd inhale. Stomach out. And the hiccups are gone. Try it out for yourself. Hit me back. Let me know if it worked out for you. Comment and message me and let me know. Now then, I can't make a video. Even though this is a little tip, I can't make a video without going to the wheel of ego. So let's see what we get here. All right. Spinning from this side today. Musician. Drat. All right, I'm going to have to get equipment for this one. So, un moment s'il vous plaît. One moment, please. All right, since the wheel of ego landed on me, on the musician side of me, I've been out of practice because I haven't been doing any music. But now that the wheel's in play, I guess I'm going to have to start practicing again. So let's start off with something simple. This is the electric guitar part, or bass part, for Pantera's Walk. And then, what else do we have? Oh, this one's kind of, I don't know if I can do this still. It's a little out of practice, but the opening theme for Sherlock, the part where the credits roll, not the finger style picking part. So that one goes. I crash and burn on that one. I haven't practiced it in about 8 to 10 months, probably longer. In any case, I'll have to start practicing more. Next time, maybe we'll do something with the tin whistle, my Guinness tin whistle. In any case, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe below for more wine, booze, drinking information. Winsome Wine Somm. That's W-I-N-S-O-M-E. Win, Somm, as a one word, Winsome. Wine, Somm, S-O-M-M. There you go. Thanks for watching.